Hey crafty people, as you know, I'm trying to move into my other room with my craft stuff. Originally I thought I was just setting up more storage in that room, which would have been a lot more straightforward, but Marcus decided to help me move in there completely, which is brilliant news, but oh, what a nightmare. You wouldn't believe how much stuff is going in the bin. I can't believe stuff I've kept for so long and it's broken. And then there's a load of craft stuff going off to charity. Some of the stuff I used to use for doing train layouts and dioramas that I'm just not using anymore. I've got friends who do that sort of thing, so I'm going to give some to them. I filled 2 charity bags with clothes and shoes from when I had, you know, like officey clothes from when I had a proper job and all that. Anyway, here's an update. I'll show you around. Brace yourselves again. Right, I know this doesn't look like progress, but that's where the wardrobe's got to go ultimately. But there's this cupboard and there's stuff. I don't know how we're going to actually do this, but never mind. Got some more of these wonderful pegboards coming, which is brilliant. They're going to go on another wall. Now, in the meantime, I'll show you what my bedroom looks like. Not entirely sure how we're going to get into bed. Right, because that's where stuff's going so that we can move other stuff. How are we going to get across the landing? I don't know, because we've ended up with stuff all over the landing. As you can see, there's the drawers out of that cupboard. However, it's coming on in here. Let's put a light on. Glitter storage, yay. My landscaping stuff, new chest of drawers there. Got my resin stash sorted. Still got stuff everywhere though, because yeah, these are right in the middle of the room. There's my model railway layout. I want to bracket that on a wall somewhere. And the rest of it looks like this. Yeah. And there's the offending wardrobe, which I've half got emptied, but so I think over here we're going to have more worktops with all my plastic drawers underneath them. And then I'll be able to have all those pegboards along that wall. That filing cabinet, which is obviously broken, that's going, so I should be able to put some of my plastic drawers there. That big 1980s stereo, yes, it still works, it's brilliant. We can take that downstairs and do something nice with it. And I have a window, again, a bigger window this time. Some of this stuff will be going because I've got, hopefully I'll be doing a craft fair soon. You can see I'm starting to put my toolboxes in there. I've got a load of stuff that's been boxed up to take to the craft fair. Don't normally do craft fairs, but yeah, I'm hoping I can have a clear out. So anyway, this bit looks good. That bit looks good, doesn't it? Huh. So I'll give you an update. Alright, wish me luck. I'll give you a proper show round when it's all done. And yeah, see you later.